after you create sample lines, the next thing is creating the section views. And the section views can be created here from the home tab at the profile and section views. There's the command there for section views, and you can create multiple views. You can create a single section view. You can project objects to those section views. You can project objects to section view. Here you're projecting to multiple section views. I want to create multiple views because I want to create a section view for each sample line. And as you can see, we have various or multiple sample lines. So I want to create section views for all these sample lines. So what do? I click on create multiple views. Once I do that, I'm prompted with a create multiple section view dialog box. And here, first at the general section, we are prompted to select as an alignment. We're okay with that. And then next is a sample line group. We only have one. Station range is 0 to the end. Also okay. You can specify your own if you want to. Currently I want it to be automatic. Then the section view name will be the section view station and a counter. I can remove the counter there and have it be named by the section view name only. And then the section view layer, that's the layer. Section view style, road section, you can choose another one if you want to. Let's go with road section for now. Once you're done with our page, you can go to next. Now here, you get to choose a template that will enable you to create a number of section views. So these templates are found within your drawing. So these are layout production templates. First of all, before we create the template, as you can see, they are scaled. They're in 1:500 scales or 1:1000. So let's first of all change our scale here to 1:500. If it doesn't change, go to and apply. Our scale has changed. Now let's repeat. Let's go to section views, create multiple views, and we had set up everything here. Let's change that. Then everything else is okay. Go to next. Here I will pick ISO A1 1:500. That's the template I want to use to create my section views. And then the group plot style basic is okay. And placement options, I want it to be at production, not draft. And then once that is set up, we can go to offset range on the left and on the right, 20 meters from the center line. And then elevation range varies, automatic, set up to automatic. So Civil 3D will automatically govern the station elevation range. And then we go to next. We set up the styles again. Here, if you had forgotten to set up the styles, you can change them from here. Existing ground, the corridor style, the cross section of the corridor. You can change its style from here if you had forgotten. And then next is the data bands. For our section views, we don't want any data bands. We don't want any, so it doesn't matter whether it's bottom or top. And then once you're done, you can create section views. Click on that, and then you're prompted to identify section view origin. I'll just go to the right here and click there. And here we can see the section views have been created. And they've been created in the view edit style. So we have from station 20 all the way to station 780 according to our sample lines. So these correspond to the sample lines. And that's how to create multiple section views.